Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben. Hello, friends. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Today, our topic is very fun: holidays and celebrations. Everyone in the world has holidays, and everyone celebrates something.
That's right. Holidays are special days, usually once a year. Celebrations are the ways people enjoy these special times, sometimes with food, sometimes with music, sometimes with family and friends.
Let's start simple. A holiday is a special day. For example, Christmas, New Year, or your birthday. A celebration is the way you enjoy it. For example, a party, a family dinner, or fireworks.
Yes, exactly. Holidays are the day and celebrations are the activity.
Ben, what is your favorite holiday?
I think my favorite holiday is New Year's Eve. I love fireworks and the feeling of starting a new year. Fireworks are those big, colorful lights in the sky. They are loud but beautiful.
That's nice. My favorite holiday is Christmas. I love decorating the Christmas tree, listening to music, and giving presents. A present is also called a gift, something you give to someone to make them happy.
That sounds wonderful. Do you like Christmas food?
Yes, cookies, cake, and hot chocolate. They make me feel warm and happy.
Many countries have their own holidays. For example, in the United States, people celebrate Thanksgiving in November. Families eat turkey together and talk about the things they are thankful for.
In China, people celebrate Chinese New Year. Families eat a big meal, children get red envelopes with money, and there are dragon dances in the streets.
In India, people celebrate Diwali, also called the Festival of Lights. Families light lamps, decorate their homes, and enjoy sweets.
In Muslim countries, people celebrate Eid. Families dress nicely, visit relatives, and share food with neighbors and friends.
In Mexico, there is the Day of the Dead. Families decorate altars, visit cemeteries, and remember loved ones who have passed away.
These holidays are different, but they all bring families and communities together.
Now, let's talk about birthdays. Everyone has a birthday each year. On your birthday, friends and family often say, "Happy birthday." You might have a party, eat cake, and get presents.
A birthday cake usually has candles. You close your eyes, make a wish, and blow out the candles. Some people believe your wish will come true.
A birthday party can be big or small. Some people invite many friends with music and games. Others just have a quiet dinner with family. Both are celebrations.
Another celebration is a wedding. A wedding is the day two people get married. In many countries, weddings are very big. There is food, music, dancing, and many guests.
In some cultures, weddings last one day. In others, weddings can last many days, with many traditions and ceremonies.
Weddings are happy celebrations. People usually say, "Congratulations" to the couple.
Now, let's learn some useful holiday and celebration phrases. You can say, "Happy New Year," "Merry Christmas," "Happy Birthday," "Congratulations."
Congratulations is useful for many events: weddings, graduations, or when someone has good news. It means, "I'm happy for you."
Let's try a short practice. Imagine your friend just got married. You can say, "Congratulations." Imagine your friend had a birthday yesterday. You can say, "Happy birthday."
Food is always important in celebrations. Different holidays have different food.
Yes, at Christmas, people eat cookies and drink hot drinks. At Thanksgiving, people eat turkey. At birthdays, people eat cake and ice cream.
At New Year's parties, people often drink juice, soda, or sometimes sparkling drinks.
Food makes holidays special. It's not only about eating, but also about sharing with family and friends.
Some celebrations are outdoors. For example, on Independence Day in the United States, many families have a picnic. A picnic means eating outside, usually in a park.
And at night, people watch fireworks together. Fireworks are a symbol of celebration in many countries.
Ben, let's talk about small celebrations too, not only big holidays.
Good idea. A small celebration can be something like finishing a project at school, getting a new job, or passing an exam. People might go out for dinner or just enjoy a small cake.
Yes, sometimes celebrating small things is important too. It gives us energy and happiness.
Now, let's review the vocabulary we learned today. We talked about holiday, celebration, fireworks, present, gift, party, birthday, cake, candles, wedding, congratulations, picnic, and family dinner.
And we learned phrases like Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, Happy Birthday, and congratulations.
Emma, why do you think celebrations are important?
Because they bring people together. Celebrations make people feel connected, happy, and thankful.
Yes, and celebrations also give us traditions. They help us remember who we are and what is important in life.
I agree. Celebrations make life colorful. We are almost at the end of our episode.
Thank you so much for listening today. We hope you learned new words and enjoyed the conversation.
Remember, you can listen again if you want more practice. Listening many times will help you learn.
Please subscribe to our podcast.
And please like the video if you're watching.
We love to share English with you.
And we will see you next time.
Goodbye, friends.